Hey guys, welcome back to another quick form video. In today's video, we're talking about T-Mobile and how it's offering home internet to everybody now. So I know you might be saying, doesn't T-Mobile offer home internet already? Yes, but it's exclusive. You have to be basically in a selected area in your city. So like here in my town, not all areas can get the T-Mobile unlimited data. If you are in like a 5G area, then yes, usually it does work, but you do have to check your address. But currently now, T-Mobile has, lifted that limit, but there's a catch. So it says T-Mobile makes its home internet option to everybody, but with data limit catch, which is a big thing because home internet, guys, you want unlimited data. So now remember, this is more for people that can't get home internet. If you can get, fiber at your house or something like that, AT&T, Spectrum, Comcast, whoever you have in your area, you're going to be definitely better going with them. Like I have AT&T fiber in my house and it works great. So this T-Mobile thing would not be good for me, but for my mother-in-law that actually does have the T-Mobile unlimited plan, which is $50 a month, and she's actually used 1.4 terabytes because, I have my brother-in-law and all them other people living there. Yes, it's truly unlimited, guys. So, but let's not talk about that. We're talking about this. It says, so there's a data cap, so let's see what happens. And it does get pretty slow, probably useless. So let's get into it. I'm playing with a new kind of like camera filter here. So as you can see, it kind of chops a little portion of my head right here, but it is what it is. I'm just trying out to see how cool it is. It says T-Mobile is expanding its home internet product, announcing Tuesday that it's opening up to everybody that can get T-Mobile service where they live. So as long as you can get T-Mobile coverage in your area, you can get it. If you live somewhere where you can't get any T-Mobile service, it's not going to be for you because you need T-Mobile coverage for this. So it says a new service called Home Internet Lite, of course, starts the same as $50 a month, which is good, but kind of sucks because you could get the limited T-Mobile home internet, which actually gives you unlimited 5G for $50 a month. But remember, this is for people that cannot get that service in their area. So it is nice that they're opening up the gates, It says your data cap is going to be 100 gigs per month, which is pretty low. Knowing T-Mobile, guys, they could have done better. They could have done 300 gigs or something. But 100 gigs is pretty low. This is going to be for people that just needed work from home. You're not going to be doing gaming. I have a PS5 and gaming computer, and God knows some games are 100 gigs for updates and downloading and stuff. So I blow through that. That's why I need that home unlimited data plan. Like I said, I could see this plan being more for, your casual user. Maybe you want to stream a couple videos, some movies, a couple nights. You're going to be working from home, doing emails, maybe doing some work or even studying. But gaming and really streaming a lot of video, I wouldn't recommend. It says, when you are within the data cap, you will not be restricted on the speeds of your connection. If you go over the data allotment, the carrier will slow you down to a painfully slow 2 GB, like 128 kilobits per second. I don't even know why they would do this, guys. Personally, I would just say it's useless. It's gone. Once you use your 100 gigs in a month, finito. That's it. Like they're saying here, it's not enough for a Zoom video call. You need 600 kilobits per second, and you definitely can't watch YouTube because you need at least 700 kilobits per second, and Netflix is 1 megabit per second. So you're really not going to be able to do much video streaming. This is going to be more for opening up emails and stuff like that. It says the higher price tiers are available, so not just 100 gigs. If you want to pay more, you can get more. For 150 gigs, it's $75 a month. 200 gigs for 100 and 300 gigs for 150. Which, to tell you the truth, I do know a couple of carriers that for about 150 bucks, you're actually getting like 160 gigs. So for 150 bucks, 300 gigs is not that bad. Yes, it is bad compared to, if you have unlimited data, but if you can't get it, I guess you need to do what you need to do. It says, while the carrier says that about a quarter of the households use less than 100 gigs per month, big cap on that, I don't know about that, you should really check how much data you use before considering T-Mobile Lite. Says the carrier says it will email users when they reach 80% and 100% of the data usage and send notifications to the router screen. Those who have T-Mobile for wireless service will also get a text message. Another cool thing that I saw, and it probably says here, that you do not have to have T-Mobile service to get the home internet. So if you have, let's say, Verizon or AT&T, you can still get T-Mobile's home internet, even if you don't have, service with them. It says, and it's a good reason here, guys. It says the main reason why they give you this big restriction on a data cap, or they put this big data cap on it, is because T-Mobile is opening up its service. Now remember, it's all about spectrum and how much data can be there, because if there's not enough spectrum or like data in that area, it's going to cause issues with people that are on T-Mobile. So it says T-Mobile is opening up the broadband service to areas of its network that don't necessarily have enough capacity to support unlimited home internet. So like I said, I've noticed that T-Mobile's home internet for $50 all unlimited plan is usually within a 5G area. My mother-in-law lives near a 5G tower of T-Mobile, which is great for her, and that's why she can get offered that unlimited data. But here in my area, where I barely get 4G on T-Mobile, I definitely don't qualify for it because I'm not in a high capacity area. And that's mainly correct or true with other carriers like AT&T, or should I say Verizon, that offers home internet. It says where areas unlimited home broadband is offered in certain parts of the country, T-Mobile has said that it is available to over 40 million people. The new Lite service is available anywhere T-Mobile service has wireless coverage. So pretty cool. But basically they're saying, they would love to give home internet to everybody, especially at a limited plan, but it's just, you're probably not in a high capacity area, and T-Mobile is opening up more 5G area, towers in different areas. So maybe when they do have a 5G tower and you're in a high capacity area, that you can switch to the unlimited plan. It says the home Internet Lite option will exist alongside the regular unlimited option that also runs $50 a month. The carrier tells CNET that it will let people who sign up for the Lite upgrade at no additional cost to the unlimited plan should they be able to support unlimited in the area. And that's what I was just talking about. See, I haven't even read this article. I always read these with you guys so I can give you my honest opinion, but that's what I'm just guessing, from being in this industry for a while. It says both home internet options are available even if you don't have T-Mobile for your wireless service, and both include a modem/router and bundle taxes and fees for $50 sticker price, which is a really good price. You get a modem and taxes included for $50 a month. If you have T-Mobile for wireless service and subscribe to the company's price Magenta Max option, the Lite plan will be still eligible for a discount that knocks that $50 price per month to $30, which is actually good. So if you do have T-Mobile internet or T-Mobile service, you can get a $20 discount for home internet at $30, which is great. You still, however, will need to enter your address in T-Mobile's website to see which option is available for you when the Lite version launches on August 16, which is actually about 2 days from the launch, or from the making of this video, should I say. So the move is in the latest battle, basically, with carriers and a traditional cable, fiber, and satellite. The big thing will be, I'm not gonna lie to you, it's gonna be really hard for people like Verizon, T-Mobile, US Cellular, and all those other people that offer home internet to compete with with cable and fiber, especially fiber. I mean, I'm getting fiber, I think $80 a month, or 90, maybe 80, and you get 1 gigabit speeds. You will never get those. I've never seen those speeds. I might get half of that, but it all depends on capacity, blah blah blah. But you know what I mean. Now, T-Mobile's option is unlimited if you are in if you're in a high capacity area, should I say. I'm not going to say 5G area because it's not all 5G areas. Like I said, my brother-in-law, he uses more than I do. 1.4 terabytes. I might use 400 gigs in my house. It says T-Mobile's latest Lite option may not be the strongest alternative to those with decent cable or fiber connections, or even 5G home internet through Verizon, which offers unlimited data where it's available. Now, Verizon's 5G home internet is very, very restricted. It's not in a lot of areas. But it says it could be an alternative to satellite internet from people like HughesNet, Viasat, and Starlink. Those options offer higher monthly rates with less data. So, and like I said, guys, I don't know if you guys know, but here in North Carolina, there are people that have HughesNet, Viasat, and Starlink, and that internet is painfully slow. You know, if you're in a cloudy area, the internet might not even work. It's pretty expensive and then you get contracted in. It's horrible. Dude, I would never offer that to anybody. It says it also gives T-Mobile yet another marketing lever to pull against, rivals like Verizon, like I said, and other people that are offering 5G home internet. And by adding these options, it just gives T-Mobile some other options for people that don't have it. Like I said, I can maybe see someone older being able to use this plan. 100 gigs should be plenty for a very light user. I can't see it, being bad or anything like that. But data caps for, younger generations that use a lot of data, stream a lot of video, Now, don't get me wrong, there could be ways around this. Let's say if you have unlimited data on a tablet, which some carriers do offer that, or unlimited data on your phone, use that and then use the home internet option for your computer or, your TV if you want to watch a movie on Netflix, but you, like I said, try to watch it on your phone. That really gives you unlimited data. Couple options there. You can also use a hotspot on your phone and stuff like that, but I could see people using this plan, especially if data is very limited in your area for a home internet option. So pretty cool. Shout outs to T-Mobile for even bringing something up like this, and hopefully, like I said, I'm not sponsored by T-Mobile, but their home internet, which does give you true unlimited data. It is true unlimited data. Like I said, we used 1.4 terabytes. I've actually seen it. It's pretty cool. But this one for 100 gigs, not too bad. But try to go for a sign off. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Do you like this little green screen effect? Let me know. Looks like I'm in the office, but really, I'm not. I'm in the house. About to get ready to go to work. So thank you for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe. More videos coming your way, guys. Let me know.